my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina. Today's video is a little unboxing from Celine. I have done another unboxing from Celine before this video, and I have been loving stuff from Celine right now, and I'm so excited to share with you what I got from Celine. So there is a one box here, and there is another items in this bag. I bought this like around a month ago and still in this bag, because I'm like that person, like, you know, when I need something, I need it, but when I bring that item home, I'm not sure what's wrong with me. I don't open it, and I don't, like, you know, get that excitement to open items. So anyways, I have these two items that I can't wait to share with you. Let's do this quick unboxing. So this comes with the box. There is no ribbon or anything like other designer boxes like Dior or Chanel. And here is the box. Let's open inside.
So here is a
bag. Oh, okay. So I decided to get this micro bag. Look at how cute is this. I've been wanting to buy a bag from Celine, and I was not sure that which one to get, and this was just like, you know, this happened. We were in the Celine store. My husband is more into Celine than me, so we were in the store, and when I saw this, I love it so much. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you guys know that I love micro bags. By the way, if you have not following me and subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below so you can be a part of my YouTube community, and that's also helped me to grow, so please do that for me. So anyways, back to the bag. Here is a bag. How cute is this? I love this bag. Of course, you can see that this is a black bag with gold hardware, and I love the black and gold combinations. And as you see that I have a lot of black bags, and I was thinking to get something else, but always I am leaning towards black. So I feel like black is always classy and goes with everything. So here is my little tiny micro Celine bag. It has this button here, like, you know, you can open and close like that. It comes with this very thin strap. Let's put this strap on. Let me show you first inside before I put the strap on. This is how it looks inside. Very tiny. You can fit your card here, and maybe small wallet, very tiny small wallet. And there is a small back pocket here. You can, it's very hard to insert anything. Maybe you can put your card or driver license there, and it doesn't fit much. For me, I'm not that girl that who carry a tons of items. I don't even like, you know, when I carry my micro Lady Dior, I don't even carry anything. Usually, like, you know, I just carry my bag, and usually this kind of bag I go on a weekend, and my husband is with me, so I don't have to worry about, like, you know, cards or money or anything. So I just carry my bag. But if I go on a weekdays, I do have, like, you know, running errands bag. Like, I carry my Burberry bags mostly for running errands, and that has my wallet and travel license and my money or whatever I need. But still in that bag also I don't carry much items, and I don't like the feeling of that heavy bag, so I'm always light, you know. I don't carry hand sanitizer, or I do carry sometimes lipstick, or maybe if I'm having a cold or allergy season, then just a tissue, that's all. So that's always in my bag like that. But if you guys like to carry a lot of stuff, then that might not be your bag. This bag comes with a bigger size also. You can go with the bigger size if you want to carry, like, you know, a lot of items in your bag. But if you just want to go in a nighttime or weekend with your husband or your partner, or just to hang out with your girlfriends with some driver license card and one lipstick, then this is such a pretty little bag. And it's not that heavy either. It's so cute. This is how it looks from the side. And there is a little insert here, you can see right here. I'm gonna put that strap there and see how it looks. So let's see. You can make this actually long or short, because it has, like, you know, like in your belt, it has a hole. so you can adjust this size according to your height or how long you want, you know. I usually like to carry my bag crossbody because it's very easy. I have a baby and it's just easy for me to do the crossbody. So what I will do is this. Oh, and make sure that, I will tell you, hold on, these things right here, make sure that it goes back here, because what happened, I remember that when I was trying in a store, this kind, when it goes right, if it goes right there, then it will pull your hair. So I almost did not buy this bag, and I was telling my husband like, this is pulling my hair, like I'm not gonna buy this. And then he goes like, why don't you put just over here, and then that solves the problem. So that did solve the problem. Let me, okay, there we go. Did you see the button here? I'm gonna put this over here, so that's where it won't pull my hair. So I tried to put that in the middle right here so it won't pull my hair. So let's close this. I told you guys that if you want to be a little longer, then you can always adjust in this. They have a hole here. So yeah, this is my cute little Celine bag added into my collections, and I am so excited to actually try. Next week we are going on a vacation, and I'm so excited to take this with me. It's a perfect little bag. Let's open this box. I like their box. It's really thick and nice actually. It's nice quality. Do you guys keep all the box, or what you guys do when you buy all these items? I have so many boxes and bags. Here is a bag. Do you guys guess what's inside here? Whew. Here is a belt. So I got both these items on same day, and this is a belt. This is nothing new. This is all over the internet. And the reason I bought this is that if you guys are just following me, then I had a baby over a year ago, and I gained tons of weight, and right now I am into my weight loss journey. And guess what, guys, I lost 10 pounds and I'm so excited. So yes, so I decided to treat myself because I worked so hard, like, you know, working out and diet and all these things. And for this mama, going to work out every day is not very easy. Like last week, my baby, he was not feeling well, so I couldn't go to work out whole week. You know, it's just like, it is just hard when you have a little tiny baby. And so this is my reward, and this is just a belt, Celine belt, and I love the gold and black again. I should have get maybe brown, I don't know, but I got the black one. Maybe I'm thinking to get Hermes or maybe Celine in a brown one, so I have some variety. So here is my belt. Let me show you how does it looks. Actually, you know, this is a perfect jeans. This jeans I bought it after I had a baby, and now this is a little bigger, so I need a belt. And I have not bought that many clothes right now because I'm still into the weight loss journey, and I don't know what size clothes to buy right now. So that's what I got it from Celine, this bag and belt. What you guys think? Do you like Celine or you don't care about Celine? Let me know down in the comment below. And also, if you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. That's really helped to grow me and my channel. So thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.